Hey guys, today we are going to be doing pages 241 and the back side 242 in your Think Up math books. So go get your math books. If you don't have it, pause the video and go grab it. Okay, let's look at number 1. It says Olivia covered one page in her sticker book with square stickers. How many stickers did Olivia use to cover the area of the page? Well, like our strategies that we learned yesterday, we can count all the square units. Or we can count our rows and columns and do repeated addition, which leads us to multiplication. So first, let's talk about our rows and columns, and then we'll count by ones. We have 1, 2, 3 rows. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Okay, so you can do 3 groups of 6 or 6 groups of 3, but I'm just going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do you remember what we do once we know what our area is? We write it in the middle, 18. Now, let's look at our answer choices. Is there 18? There sure is. Okay, let's look at number 2. Ryan made a rectangle with an area of 12 square units, which could not represent Ryan's figure. Underline that not. It's very important. You're looking for the one that's not the one that is. So, let's count this first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I hadn't read my question carefully, I would have said, oh, it's A because A is 12. That's not what it's asking. It's asking for not. So that was 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So 2 groups of 6, 6 groups of 2 is 12. Okay, let's look at B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Also, you need to always look at each answer choice. So if you had seen that that was 12 and thought, oh, it's A, but let me check B and saw that was 12, I said, wait a second, it can't be either one of them. So this is the point where you would come up to Miss Turner and say, Miss Turner, it can't be either one of these. And I would say, did you read your question carefully? And I would make you go back and you would find not, and you say, aha, I didn't read it carefully. So you go back and make sure that it is, which one is not. Okay, let's look at the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3 columns. 4 groups of 3, 3 groups of 4. Both of them equal 12. So it's not A, it's not B. Let's look at C. We see 1 row. That's easy to see, isn't it? 1 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12 columns. We know 1 group of 12. That's really easy. 1 group of 12 is just 12. Let's look at D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that was 3 rows with 5 columns. 5, 10, 15. Nope, we're looking for 12. So our answer, D. Let's look at number 3. Abby made a quilt pattern using pieces of fabric. What is the area of the shaded part of Abby's quilt? Very important, the shaded parts. So which ones are colored in? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, but there's more to her pattern on her quilt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can either do 8 plus 6, or you could just count all of them to see. But if you know your math facts, you already know what the answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hopefully when you added it together, you knew, oh, 14 because I've got my math facts memorized. Okay, number 4. Maggie covered a rectangle with color tiles. Finish the drawing to show the color tiles Maggie used. Okay. So these are really easy to do. There's a strategy to doing these to make them more simple. Instead of drawing each square, you know they're squares, so just continue out the row and then continue out the columns. Okay, there's going to be more than one answers that we need to solve. How many tiles did Maggie use to cover the entire rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then it says, what is the area of the rectangle? Well, you have to make sure you use your labels. You have 12. 12 what? 12 pickles? 12 stamps? What is it? Those aren't right, is it? Nope, nope. 12 tiles, okay? 12 tiles. If it said that they were each an inch, it would be 12 inches squared, but that's not what they are measuring it in. They are measuring it in tiles. Okay, let's turn to the next page. We have a